Hi guys, welcome back to Vipra Gaming. Today again we are going to continue this. The Firecrackers fireworks show. And now we have to get that Goblin drill. We are going to get 5. So, and the King level 8. So, the best chance to get it. Whoops, Bandit has dash, so the problem here. Lumberjack, come on. Yes, it started hitting and it's done a lot of damage. Yes, that's good work Firecracker is doing there. Valkyrie level 8, so that's quite less. He doesn't have a card, which can, a spell which can, roll out the Goblin drill, the log or the arrows. He doesn't have anything, so very good chance for us to attack him with the Goblin barrel. Firecrackers, that's good. Come on. Get the damage we have done. 143 HP left on his tower. That's good. Obviously, we are 9 and he's 8, so that's the difference. 50 HP left. Use the arrows there. Look at our Firecracker, it's doing so much damage there. It's a lot. We try to get both of his towers. So it's just there you go, one. That's only one. I want 2. Come on, we have to get more crowns. Look at the sound. 532 HP left on his tower. We have to get that tower there. Friends don't. We have the P.E.K.K.A. It can't charge. We have the Goblin barrel now, but let's defend our towers. He's not going to get the victory, that's for sure. Let's just defend our tower. We are going to win this, that's for sure. Yes, there you go. Oh, we got an extra tower. Yes, that's good. That's good. And now this is the moment here. Getting the Goblin barrel. Come on. Goblin drill, rather. 5. And 5 Goblin drills. New epic card unlocked. That's awesome. Let's upgrade it straight away. It's just 400 gold. So, it's in the 100. So, we have to upgrade it. Come on. When the season's over, it will be level 7. So that's good. Okay guys, that's it for this episode. We'll see you in the next episode. And again, we are going to continue the Firecrackers fireworks show. And until then, goodbye.